at London Heathrow to fly Virgin Atlantic's brand new Airbus A330neo aircraft on their new route to Tampa, Florida. After check-in, security and dodging the duty-free, it was on to the Virgin Clubhouse. A quick bite to eat before checking out the rooftop views across the apron. Then on to the gate, which was about a 5-minute walk away. The aircraft registration was GVJAZ, called Billie Holiday. It was its 11th passenger flight. Upper class took up the front cabin of the aircraft, with 32 suites in a staggered 1-2-1 configuration. I was in seat 1A. There was plenty of space around the seat, with plenty of overhead bin space too. Next to the seat was a power socket, USB and USB-C ports, together with a wireless charging mat. Pre-flight champagne, juice or water were offered.
Hello there. We're delighted to welcome you on board Virgin Atlantic.
The safety video played as we push back on schedule.
Keen to lose yourself in our dazzling world of entertainment, but first we're going to show you a safety film, and we'd like you to give it your full attention.
Taxied to take off from runway 27 right. The flight time to Tampa was scheduled at around 8 hours 50 minutes. Shortly after takeoff, the cabin service started with drinks and crisps. A basic amenity kit was provided. Good quality headphones were provided for the entertainment system, which had a 17.3-inch screen with touch controls. A range of movies and TV shows were available. Wi-Fi was also available, which was complimentary for the full flight. It had good download speeds of more than 40 megabits per second. The table pulled out from beside the seat, then flipped over. It could be moved back and forwards. There was a choice of each course on the menu. For the main course, additional options were available to pre-order before the flight. I started with the textures of beetroot with a goat's cheese mousse. It was a nice light starter. For main course, I pre-ordered the thyme and garlic roast chicken with dauphinoise potato, carrots, broccoli and peppercorn sauce. It was a little bit dry with a rather thick sauce. For dessert I chose the warm sweet brioche bread and butter pudding. It was very tasty. With a glass of Italian Pinot Noir, I finished with a cheese plate. There were 3 bathrooms around the cabin, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear. They were very clean throughout the flight. At the rear of the cabin was the loft, a social space for upper-class passengers. There was a fridge full of complimentary soft drinks. The seat reclined to form a fully flat bed. There was a do not disturb sign for the suite, together with a fully closing door which provided privacy. About 90 minutes prior to landing, a second meal was served. I opted for the fish goujon hot sandwich. And some scones with jam and cream. Sweets were offered ahead of landing. We came in to land on runway 36 left and taxied to the F gates. Let me know what you think of the review, comment below, like and share, and please subscribe for future videos.